About to take a shot of soju. I think I need it. Soybean paste bibimbap, spam hot and spicy. Yeah, it's the Korean Bible, right? Have a karaoke bar on floor 2F. Restaurants, bars, brothels. I think I see one right now. Kitty cat. What else we got in this Korean newspaper? Whoa, can't read any of them. This is a Korean beer that's called Lemon Gin. Greetings from Koreatown and Guatemala City. So, when I took a taxi from the airport here, I talked to the guy and he has said that there's a few small ethnic neighborhoods all around the city. There's a lot of Arabs here. Some neighborhood down south. There's some Indians. There's obviously Chinese. You find Chinese everywhere. But one of the biggest ethnic neighborhoods all across the entire city is Little Koreatown. So I was curious. I brought my friend and we're gonna walk today, see what Little Koreatown has to offer. It's 10:25. Don't know what that means, but some kind of convenience store.
You don't know that much Korean as you think.
Yeah, I don't know any actually. Let me ask them if they have soju, one of my favorite drinks back in New York City. ¿Tienes el soju? Soju, see. Fresh, original. Strawberry.
There's like orange, pomegranate. Yeah, I could go with original. I mean.
Yeah, let's just do original. So all across here we have Korean. I don't even know what half this stuff even means. This is all spicy noodles. We have Korean toothpaste. Korean toothpaste over here. Soybean paste bibimbap, spam hot and spicy. I don't know what this is over here. Korean cat. That's chicken jerky, right?
I think it's like octopus or something. Oh no, yeah, squid.
Oh, squid. What is this? ¿Qué es este? Es
Esas son galletas.
galletas. Ah, bueno.
Sí, galletas de arroz.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah, rice cakes.
Rice cakes. This is amazing, man. I want to live here, man. I should ask them if they have an extra bed and bath that I can rent out. I can just wake up every morning, eat Korean noodles, brush my teeth with Korean toothpaste, drink soju for breakfast. That would be the life. Maybe I should try and ask them that. Cat. Kitty cat.
Okay, bueno.
Want some soju, kitty? Soju. Soju. No. Alright. I guess this cat doesn't like me that much, but it's alright. That's life. True Guatemalan gopniks from the side of the street about to take a shot of soju. I think I need it. You know, it's already noon. I haven't drank in over 3 hours. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. I can feel it in my body. So we're gonna pop open this, take a shot. It's the original soju. It's the most traditional and authentic. So we're gonna try this out. Estos son libros coreanos, ¿sí?
Sí,
Wow, dude, this is really epic.
It's Korean Bible.
coreano. Sí, sí.
Brushing their teeth.
Oh, it teaches how to brush your teeth.
This teaches how you brush your teeth in Korean.
Todo coreano.
Alright, so the way to brush your teeth, just in case you guys don't know how to brush your teeth, is Little Bear. What's up?
털렸어요.
What is this? ¿Qué es este?
Sí.
I don't think she speaks Spanish.
Coreana.
Coreana?
English.
Just English?
Wait,
No
okay.
English?
Solo eso.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 그리고 여덟, 여. Look at that. Korean. Coreano. So this little bear wants to learn how to brush his teeth. That's what he does. He picks it up, he fills in water in the sink. He's a little scared. That was me like 20 years ago. I didn't know how to brush my teeth. I'm gonna practice on a little bear. But the only difference is I practice on my sister, not on me. So, but you understand English. And then afterwards, he takes the lounge, and then he's scared again, so he does it on his sister again. And then he goes to sleep. The father reads him a book thinking that he brushed his teeth. And it's done. He never actually brushed his teeth, so. What a pretty epic book. Biblia, it's the Korean Bible, right? Wow, this is epic.
más Mateo.
Qué bueno.
Marco.
So calendar.
Sí.
Oh, I'm a guy who likes to read. And I can't resist myself when I see a nice Korean newspaper. Check this out. Informacion Gua. Everything's in Korean. And over here, it looks like they have a karaoke bar on floor 2F on one of these restaurants. So we're gonna try to check it out later on tonight. I don't know if we'll be successful, but we'll try. But check this out, all in Korean. The commercials, the main writing. This dude's over here in the back. Looks like Jackie Chan, who's Chinese, but he's running. He's running really fast from something. He's either running really fast from something, or he's running towards some really tasty bulgogi in Koreatown of Guatemala City. And we got some phone numbers. We got nice massage parlors. This might be the most important newspaper I've read in my entire life. You got Jackie Chan, you got massage parlors, you got karaoke bars, all that good stuff. Somebody here tried calling the karaoke place because we want to do some karaoke. It's never, ever too early to do karaoke, especially because we had some drinks. I'm not tipsy, but I do feel a little something. Because I think I had like 2 soju shots. I'm drinking this nice Corona malt beer, nice bitter malt beer. But apparently they only let I can't talk. Apparently they only let Koreans in. So what we're gonna do is give up on those plans. But what I will do is I will learn Korean all of this year for the next 365 days. And I'll come back one day, a year later, and I'll talk Korean, I'll get in. So I think that's an adventure for another day. So we've been walking around little Koreatown. We found this small deli spot. We're gonna check out what kind of food they have over here. ¿Cómo se llama? Antonio. Antonio? Guatemalteco, ¿sí?
No, Honduras.
Honduras. ¿Y cómo se hablas coreano? ¿Cómo se hablas coreano?
¿Cómo qué palabra querías?
Pero ¿cómo se aprendiste?
Aquí.
¿Aquí?
Con ellos aprendí.
Wow, qué bueno. Yo solamente sé 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Número.
그리고 you do the hot, y este es una comida coreana, ¿sí? Donde bulgogi y otras cosas. So, wow, let's check this thing out. I can't read what this is, something. ¿Qué significa este?
Ojingo.
Kimchi, ¿no?
Pulpo.
Pulpo. Wow, this is nice. Es muy típico de coreano.
Sí, todo este como natural de ellos.
Natural, ¿sí?
Seoul
Seoul.
Avenue. That's Seoul Avenue.
For you guys who don't know, Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. So they even named this avenue after the Koreans. One of the things you'll notice about Guatemala City is that there's a ton of motorcycles, moto taxis too, everywhere. And it's a lot cheaper to ride them versus taking like a taxi or like an Uber. It's probably like half the price too, which is a great deal for backpackers. Interesting smell.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky, you don't have to smell. Well, maybe you're unlucky too, because we got some good smells back there. We got the smell of fresh Korean bread, Korean bulgogi.
That was so good.
Restaurants, bars, brothels. I think I see one right now. Check this out. This place is called Club Todo Marzo. In the summer, there's a big party. Quetzales 125. That's about like 20 bucks. You can be around beautiful morenas. More morenas over here. This is our 3rd or 4th Korean grocery store. ¿Cómo está, amiga? And wow, this is huge. Look at this. So when I came to Koreatown in Guatemala City, I expected a small Koreatown, not that many supermarkets, but we've been in like 4 of them so far. Maybe 5. I couldn't film one of them. We got the usual Korean chips, perfectly bagged too. Like, look at the air in this. It's perfect. It looks bigger than it should be. It's probably only a quarter full. Love me. So if you're looking for love, of which I haven't had in a long time, got this cream. It's called Shampoo Love Me. The Korean library. So we haven't seen a Korean library yet. Whoa. Ah, yeah? A small library here. Let's check out what kind of books they have. Korean books. Over here, all this is in Korean. I'll take off my sunglasses because I can't really see that well. But you got the Great Folktales of Korea. Let's see what they have over here. Whoa! Great Folktales of Korea. Okay. This lady over here seems really happy. Let's see what's up. Something She looks really mad. She's yelling. She's yelling at her mom. That's not good. And then I think there's like a foot fight, some kind of foot fetish. And now she's apologizing. That's good. Now she's really happy. She's going to go on her bike. Does anyone know what this means? No. And now everything's good. They're about to cook some food. But there's some kind of family tension here. What do you think the tension is, guys? I don't really know. And then I have no idea what the hell's happening here. And now she is commanding them. That's not very Korean. Koreans respect their parents. Anyways, let's keep walking. Whoa. We got rice. We got rice pads over here, so we're gonna not walk there. But let's see what else they have over here. Wikinomics in Korean. Let's see. Whoa, all Korean. Did not expect this at all. Okay, so I can't really learn anything today because I don't speak or know Korean. Let's do double taste test now. Oh, spicy. Wow. All right, so we got a bunch of stuff going on here. These freezers are filled with more Korean dumplings. Okay, is this Korean beer?
No, that one's German.
How can this be German?
No, I'm talking about this one.
Oh. Lemon gin, dude, this is awesome. This is 7%.
Gin.
I think 7%. Yes, lemon gin right here.
No, this one's 4.5.
Okay, this is 7. I don't know if I want 7%. I'll try the 4.5 one.
Well, but it's gin with a J, so I don't know if it's actual gin.
Yeah. To all my Korean friends watching, if you guys even watch my video, help me out someday.
Yeah, what's gin with a J?
Yeah. Two gringos trying to figure this out. Guys, my last beer, I promise. I promise, my last beer. This is a Korean beer. It's called lemon gin. Look at this. It's all Korean. It was about $4, so pretty expensive. Probably because it's imported straight from Korea. But we're gonna open this thing up. Try it out. I'm actually excited for this one. It is gin and tonic.
Good?
Yeah, it's gin and tonic, yeah. So it's not really a beer, it's gin and tonic. Lemon gin. But it's pretty good for being in a can for God knows how long. It's pretty damn good. Get tired of eating Korean food in Koreatown, which I don't think you ever would. There's a Little Caesars right there. If you want to get really American, Little Caesars pizza with 2 pizzas over there. So you can always come here. There's a McDonald's nearby too. So
Panda Express.
There's a McDonald's and a Panda Express. Oh, while we wait for my buddy inside the bank, let's check out what's on this Korean newspaper, shall we? Information Gua. We got Korean fruits. Okay. Karaoke bars. 23rd Avenue, 143 Zona 7. Really close by. Eyeglass shops and more stuff. I can't read any of this stuff. If you want to fix your toes before and after, come to Koreatown. Come to Koreatown in Guatemala City. You can fix your toes. Before, after. Before, after. It's called The Nail, by the way. The Nail. What else we got in this Korean newspaper? Whoa, I can't read any of that. Cafetan. Nothing. Let's skip ahead a little bit. Maybe a few pages. Let's go here. Bunch of advertisements. These Korean dudes look really happy. They look really happy. And this is the Korean Prime Minister with a mask on. He's got his mask on, guys. Really beautiful mask. And this is the Dark Man. You don't really know what the Dark Man's up to. Just keep flipping. If you want to go to a dentist, a special Korean dentist, if you have Korean teeth, come here. We'll keep flipping, and there's a crossword puzzle, okay? We got more stuff. These guys all look really, really serious. This guy's got a nice smirk on him. That's really it. We got Jackie Chan in back, running towards his beautiful Korean bulgogi. Guys, so it just started raining, so at the end of the video right there. Anyways, that was a quick tour of Central America's biggest Koreatown. Until next time.